Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to completely delete and remove the uTorrent application from your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Program, Best Match, come back with Add or Remove Programs. Go ahead and open that up. In the search apps field at the top, type in uTorrent, select the three-dotted icon next to it, and select uninstall. Select uninstall again, select yes, and then you want to take the uninstall survey, you can, otherwise I'm going to uncheck that option and select next, select uninstall, and then finish. You do want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.